Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about germs. We are going to read this book called Germs Are Not for Sharing. Achoo! Achoo! What do you do? Say tissue, please, or reach for one yourself. Blow, wipe, and toss in the garbage. Good job. What do you need to do? I'm coughing. Turn your head away and cough into your sleeve. Why? Because germs are not for sharing. Germs can make you sick. Oops, uh-oh. What do you need to do? The cookie fell on the floor. Put it in the trash. Time to get a new one. Don't eat that one. Flush. What do you need to do? Go and wash your hands because germs are not for sharing. How do you wash your hands? Warm water, lots of soap, scrub, scrub, scrub. Sing a little song, rinse, rinse, rinse. This boy is singing the ABC song. When do you wash your hands? Before it's time to eat, when things get messy, when you sneeze or cough or go potty, or anytime you need to. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Send those germs down the drain. Bye-bye, germs. Smooch, smooch. Kisses are nice to give and get, but not when you're sick. What can you do? Stand back, blow a kiss, like that, and catch a kiss. I caught it. That's right, like that.
Hands are dirty. I gotta wash them. First, I gotta turn on the water. Yep, that water's nice and warm. Now I have to put the soap on. I'm gonna rub the soap on my hand while I sing a little song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I have the soap in my hands. I'm ready to wash it off. Okay, my hands are all clean.